Today, we will go through the process of creating a scheduled report. Go to Menu Configurations, Scheduled Report. Here, you can see the list of reports already created. To create a new report, click on New. In the task description field, enter a name for your report. For example, Weekly Report. Select the location. Here, I am selecting Mumbai. Click Save. The system will now show all the mandatory fields to be filled. Choose the report name, e.g., Job Profit, and set the report filters. If you want specific columns in your report, select them from a list. If no columns are selected, all available columns will be displayed. You can also choose sorting options, such as order number, status, department, etc. To add filters, click the plus Add Filter button. Example, select the column Created Date. Set the condition as between July 1st and August 26th. Save the filter. Similarly, you can add another filter for company ID, e.g., Unicorn DXBRS. Next, set the recurrence pattern. Example, Weekly Report. Choose how many weeks you want to repeat it here, 1 week. Select the days, e.g., Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Choose the scheduled run time, e.g., 1 p.m. Enter the start date, e.g., August 26th. If you want an end date, select 1. If you choose no end date, the report will continue indefinitely. Enter the email IDs. Add the main recipient, and CC if required. Finally, click Save. The report is successfully created. You can now see it listed, and the report will automatically be sent at the scheduled time, e.g., today at 1 p.m., to the entered email IDs.